Good morning, student. Welcome to your computer class. In previous class, we have already discussed about how to create a Excel sheet. So today we will discuss about the data types and entering data. How could we enter data in a Excel sheet? So let's start. At first, I have already discussed that to create a Excel sheet, at first go to the start button, then click on that, then go to the all programs. After that, go to the Microsoft Office. Okay, go to the Microsoft Office, then after that click on Excel 2013. So when we click on that, the home page will appear on us, that is the start screen of Excel. Then we have to choose on blank workbook. After that, when you click on blank workbook, we will see this interface of Excel worksheet, where so many cells and rows are here to enter data. When we click on a cell, then we can see that at name bar it will appear the cell references, and in formula bar it will appear which is given in the cell. So if we type here a name, somehow I am typing Anik. Okay, Anik. So I have typed it. You can see that the cell references is showing at name box and the name is showing at the formula box. This is the formula box. I have already discussed. This is the formula box. So now I will discuss about the entering data. So how could we enter a data in cell? So at first click on the cell, then you can see that it will be highlighted with bold. Now we can put data in this cell. So we can type here anything what we have to put on this. I am typing something, that means it will appear in formula bar. I have already discussed, and the formula bar is located just below the ribbon which displays the data or formula stored in the active cell. So it can be used to enter or edit data or the formula in a cell. So three small buttons appears to the left of the formula bar. You can see here that three options here at the left of the formula bar. The first one is a cross, that means it cancel button. After that it is the right enter button, that means we can use the right button instead of pressing the enter. The next is effects. Okay, so we will study the effects term, that means the effects button, insert function button in future classes, but now we will discuss about the cross and right button. That cross means that when we want to cancel something which is written in the cell, then we will press on the cross button, then you will see that the whole thing will disappear from the cell. You can see I have given here the something details about I am writing something. Okay, then when we will press on this cross button, then it will disappear. Okay, so now we can edit this or enter something new data to that cell. Now if I am typing or another things, that is something, then when we press on this click button, the enter button, or we can use also the enter button from your keyboard, then it will be saved to that cell. And we can also edit this on clicking this and just pressing on the cross button or cancel button. Okay, then you can edit this. Now after that, how could we move from one spreadsheet to another? To move to the cell below the active cell, so press the enter key. So I am my cursor is actually in the B3 cell. Now if we press enter button, you can see that the actual cursor has gone to the next cell just below the previous cell. Now if we press tab key, that means in your keyboard, if we press tab key, that means this tab key, if we press tab key, then you will see that I am again pressing the tab key, then you can see that it will go to the right side. Okay, I can also move to the cell above, below, right or left of the active cell using the corresponding arrows key on the keyboard. Corresponding arrows key are here. Okay, so if we press, if we have to go to the below, then we can press this. If we have to go to the upwards, then we can press this, and if we want to go to the left, then we can press at backward side. Okay, so in this manner we can move from one cell to another in a spreadsheet. Okay, clear? Now how could we create a new worksheet? So an Excel 2013 workbook is a file on a computer storage device. So we can do anything. That means we can rename it, cut, copy, delete, some things that can be done in Excel 2013. So if we press the file button, that means if we go to the file button, then you can see that here on the screen appear new. That means when we press on the new button, then you will see that the blank workbook, if we press on the blank workbook, new spreadsheet will appear on us. Then you can see that here at the below, the new spreadsheet is here. Now we can go to the previous worksheet by clicking on the just previous to the which is saved already in Excel 2013. So to open an existing file, so click open in the file menu, go to the file menu, then click on open button, open, then this will give you option of which worksheet has already been saved, which Excel has already been saved to my computer. Then we can go to the any of them which I have needed. Okay, now saving a worksheet, how we can save a worksheet by from this. So if I have to save this, then we will go to the file option, then we can choose. Here you can see that after clicking on this, you can see the save and save as option. If we have to save this only, then we can press the save option, but if we want to rename or if we want to replace it anywhere from in your computer, then we have to choose save as option, then go to the computer and go to the browse option. The browse, clicking on the browse option, we can choose any of the file from our computer where we want to save this Excel sheet. So by this manner we can easily save this Excel in our computer. So this is the normal and basic things of Excel 2013. I hope you have understood what I have discussed here. Okay, so if we save this Excel with save as option, then we have to click on computer, then go to the browse option. After that, when this dialog box will appear on your screen, then you can rename it. Here is the file name, we can rename it as, if I put it the class details, then class detail. Okay, in this manner we can save it with rename, and we can also choose another files from here. If I press on this, then if I press on this, then we can save here as I want to save these things. So next day we will discuss about the editing data, and today practice these things at your home with your computer. And if you face any doubts or any problems, you can ask me. Otherwise everything is okay. Okay, then thank you. Next day we will discuss about the editing data. Thank you.